Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the text alignment property. The way we align the text on a web page can have a huge impact on the overall look and feel of our site. Let's get started. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. From here, we're going to clear out the code inside the body tags. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to add this code to your index.html file, as well as creating a separate styles.css file inside a CSS folder. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. Open Live Server if you don't already have it open. First, in the index.html file, let's add an h1 heading and 3 paragraphs. So for the h1 heading, I'm going to say text alignments. Then let's add 3 paragraphs. For the first one, this will be the default text alignment. And for the second one, this is a second paragraph with center alignment. And for the third one, this is a third paragraph with right alignment. And for each one of these, I'm going to give it an ID. So this one's going to be ID set to default alignment. And for the second one, I give it an ID of center alignment. And a third one, give it an ID of right alignment. Then over in the styles.css file, I'm going to get rid of these 3 styles here and keep the body and the h1 style. Now let's style the 3 paragraphs. Let's start by aligning the first paragraph to the left. This is going to be the default for most browsers, so if we don't specify anything, our text will be aligned to the left. To do that, I'm going to give it a text alignment, text align of left. See, nothing really changed. And then for the second paragraph, we're going to align the text to the center. To do that, I'm going to give it a text align of center. This can be useful if you want to kind of draw attention to a specific section of your website, or if you want to create a more balanced layout. Then let's style the last paragraph and give it a right alignment. To do that, you just give it a text align property of right. This particular right alignment can be useful if you want to create a clean and organized layout, especially when working with languages that read from right to left. As you can see, it's a simple but powerful property that can really make a difference in the look and feel of your website. And there you have it. Whether you're aligning your text to the left, right, or center, be sure to choose the option that works best for your website and your audience. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.